Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today on this video I'm sharing with you how to make such delicious broccoli at home. If you'd like to know how I made the ones that you see on the video, then keep on watching. Start by adding water in a big sufuria, and after the water is boiled, go ahead and add salt. And after adding salt, now go ahead and add your cleaned broccoli. Like you can see, mine I have already cut the stems and I have cleaned them. Now going ahead to add that to boiling water. And you're going to blanch the broccoli for approximately 1 minute, not more than that, otherwise it is going to overcook. And after 1 minute, you're just going to remove the broccoli from the hot water and then run the broccoli pieces through cold water, like you see here on the video. So I went ahead and added cold water to mine, like you see, and then rinsed the broccoli a few times. And the purpose of rinsing is just to make sure that the broccoli doesn't overcook. Now in another pan, go ahead and fry your onions. And after the onions have turned translucent, go ahead now and add 5 cloves of crushed garlic. And you're going to allow the garlic to cook as you continue turning. Remember not to burn the onion for this recipe. At this point, guys, you can add any spices that you fancy. I was not in the mood of adding a lot of spices, so I just added the beef cubes that I'm showing you here, and then crushed them, continued stirring until they were fully broken down. And at this point now the onion was ready. I did not want the onion to be so golden brown, so I went ahead and added carrots. You can cut the carrots to your desired shapes and your desired sizes. Give that a good stir, and remember not to add a lot of salt because already you had blanched the broccoli in salty water. And after that, now go ahead and add courgettes. And guys, if there's anything that you do not like that I added to this recipe, you can subtract it and add whatever you prefer. Now give everything a good stir, and at this point now go ahead and start adding your bell peppers. I used the red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, the green bell peppers, and then give that a good stir. And remember not to overcook these veggies, so be sure to cook on low flame as you keep stirring to avoid burning them and to avoid them sticking at the bottom of your sufuria. Like you see on this video, I was checking mine every now and then just to make sure that everything was going on okay, and at this point, guys, we were ready to move on to the next step. Like you can see, the bell peppers have maintained their shape, the courgettes and the carrots as well. And I started with the carrots because remember, carrots have a rough texture and they take a longer time to cook as opposed to the bell peppers that are soft and they cook within just a few minutes. Now at this point, guys, I was satisfied with the veggies cooking, so I went ahead and added the broccoli. Remember not to cook for so long after adding the broccoli because you do not want to overcook them, as we had already dipped them in hot water. And for the other veggies, I just wanted them to be crunchy. And also I added a small amount of soy sauce, and the more reason not to add more salt to this dish is because soy sauce is already so salty. And guys, after this, we are going to give it a very good stir, again being so careful not to break the pieces of the veggies. And like you can see, the veggies were looking so nice. I was satisfied with these, and I served mine with vegetable rice, and it was so delicious. You guys, you can serve the veggies as a side of something, or after serving the main dish and you'd like to serve some veggies, this one would come in handy. And now here we have the final result after just a few seconds of covering. And guys, these veggies are so good. I cook them every now and then and I love them so much. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you have watched this video to this point, kindly consider giving it a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one.